In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make passport-size photo in LibreOffice. If you need a quick and simple way to prepare a passport-size photo using LibreOffice Writer, this process is very straightforward. You do not need any complicated editing tools for this part. As long as you already have your photo saved on your computer, you can insert it into Writer and set it to the correct passport dimensions in just a few moments. To begin, open your LibreOffice Writer file. This will be the document where you place and adjust your photo. Make sure the file is open and ready before moving on, so the next steps are easier to follow. Once your Writer document is open, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Image. This will open your computer's file browser where you can look for the photo you want to use. Find your image file, select it, and then either press Enter on your keyboard or click Open. Your photo will now appear inside the LibreOffice Writer document. After inserting the image, the next step is to resize it to passport size. Click directly on the photo so LibreOffice knows that this is the object you want to edit. Then right-click on the image and choose Properties. If you prefer, you can also use the Properties sidebar if it is already open. A settings window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the exact dimensions. In the Properties window, go to the Position and Size section from the left panel. Here you'll see fields for width and height. For a standard passport size photo, enter 3.5 centimeters for the width and 4.5 centimeters for the height. Be careful to type the measurements exactly as needed, since accuracy matters for ID and passport-style images. If LibreOffice does not let you enter both values freely, look for the Keep Ratio option. If necessary, uncheck Keep Ratio before typing the dimensions. This allows you to set the width and height manually instead of having the image adjust automatically based on its original proportions. Once the correct size is entered, click OK to apply the changes. Your photo should now be resized to passport dimensions inside your LibreOffice Writer file. And that's it. You've successfully made a passport-size photo in LibreOffice. If needed, you can now continue arranging it on the page for printing, but the main resizing process is complete.